Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Take a deep breath, cleansing breath in through your nose, and release it slowly through your mouth. Feel yourself settling into this moment of peaceful transformation. With each breath, you're becoming more and more relaxed. Notice how your body naturally knows exactly how to breathe deeply into your belly, into your ribs, and exhaling. Your body knows how to breathe, how to relax, and most importantly, your body knows how to heal. This inner wisdom is always with you. Starting with your feet, feel them becoming completely relaxed and at ease. Any tension or discomfort simply melting away. Your feet are strong, vital, flexible, and support you perfectly throughout your day. They carry you effortlessly wherever you need to go. This wave of relaxation flows up through your legs, your hips, your lower back, every muscle releasing any held tension. Your body knows exactly how to let go. As this peaceful sensation reaches your stomach, chest, and shoulders, feel yourself connecting more deeply with your inner wisdom, the part of you that always knows exactly what you need. Your arms, hands, neck, and face all becoming perfectly relaxed. Every cell in your body is alive with vibrant energy and well-being. Now, as you rest in this state of peaceful awareness, know that profound transformation is taking place. Listen deeply as I share these truths that are becoming permanently integrated into your being. You are brilliantly resourceful and wise. Your inner knowing guides you perfectly. Your wit and intelligence serves you well. You radiate a youthful vitality and energy. Your body knows exactly how to heal and thrive. You communicate with clarity and confidence. People listen to you and value your input, and you listen to them. You are warmly received wherever you go. You handle every situation with calm wisdom. Stress flows through you without affecting you. You make choices that enhance your well-being. Your body responds perfectly to healthy choices. Feel how naturally your body responds to positive choices. Every healthy decision you make creates more vitality and well-being. Your body knows exactly what foods and portions serve it best. Imagine now a golden light of wisdom flowing through your entire body. This light carries profound intelligence, knowing exactly where to go and what needs to be healed. See it illuminating every cell, every tissue, every organ, every muscle, every tendon, and every nerve. Feel how this wisdom guides your food choices. You naturally select foods that nourish and energize you. Your body easily releases anything it doesn't need. Excess weight melts away effortlessly as your body finds its perfect balance. You trust your inner guidance completely. When you speak, others listen. Your words carry weight and wisdom. You express yourself with natural confidence and ease. In every situation, you remain calm, centered. Stress simply flows through you without leaving a trace. You handle challenges with grace and intelligence. Your natural brilliance shines in everything that you do. You have an endless supply of creative solutions and resourceful ideas. Your wit and wisdom serve you and others perfectly. Feel the youthful energy flowing through your body. Every day you're becoming more vibrant, more alive, more in tune with your natural well-being. Your feet carry you effortlessly through each day. They are strong. Your feet are comfortable and they are perfectly relaxed. You move with grace and ease. Every choice you make serves your highest good. You naturally select foods, activities, and thoughts that enhance your well-being. Your body responds perfectly, finding its ideal shape and weight with ease. Take a moment now to fully embrace these truths. Allow them to come into you as though you were putting on lotion. You absorb it through every cell of your being. Feel them becoming permanently integrated into every cell of your being. This is your natural state, wise, brilliant, resourceful, and thriving. As you prepare to continue your day or drifting into sleep, know that this transformation continues 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Every breath reinforces these positive changes. My voice goes with you wherever you go, and you hear these words as they are your new thoughts and actions. Every moment brings you more in tune with your inner wisdom and natural vitality. Carry this feeling of empowered well-being with you as you open your eyes or drift into a peaceful night's sleep, knowing that you're becoming more and more aligned with your highest good with each passing day. You can allow my voice to fade into the background as you drift off to sleep, or you will awake in 3, becoming more aware of your surroundings, 2, feeling the surface beneath you, and 1, eyes open, wide awake and motivated to receive all the blessings coming your way.